There's nothing quite as peaceful and soothing as the sound of falling rain. Look outside. The world seems renewed and fresh as the rain washes the streets and trees clean. Even when stuck inside, the rain brings a sense of peace and tranquility. There are few sounds more peaceful than the rain. It is the ideal backdrop for rest and relaxation. It encourages you to slow down, to relax, and enjoy simple pleasures like reading a good book or sipping a hot cup of tea. Let it wash your stresses and worries away.